Welcome to the third part of this meshing tutorial. Now we will mesh the remaining regions. First we need to concentrate here. Switch on this perimeter points. Okay, we have made a cut. Likewise from here, so we can go for project cut. Yes, now we can map. We need to change the element type as triangle, map and regenerate. Now it's okay. It will be fine if the cut is from here to here. Okay, mesh is okay. Now we need to cut. Here we are getting off elements, so we need to introduce some cut from here to here, and we can spot mesh only that's simple face. Okay, and here the mesh flow is not good here also, so go to project cut, take one okay, project cut. Okay, this can be easily moved from by mouse surface. Okay, secure. We need to use project cut. Can map, regenerate. If you want to set shortcut for any keys, go over the key and press Ctrl and center mouse button, so that will launch buttons manager, which you can see that. Otherwise you can launch it by tools, settings, and then in GUI settings, if you expand, buttons manager will be coming. However, we can directly go to that specific key if we click by hovering over the mouse over the key and then pressing the Ctrl along with the center mouse click will launch to the key directly. So I have assigned length to be called when I press Ctrl plus L. So likewise I have set map mesh regenerate as Ctrl plus 2. So I will change something. For cut I have made Ctrl plus C, project cut Ctrl plus T. So I want to change this to Ctrl plus V. Ctrl, center click, expand for your visibility. So this is shortcut, so just click and Ctrl plus V, so it is assigned. Now you can save your settings, all the settings, save and click OK. Now when you go over that, it will show the shortcut is Ctrl plus V. When I press that key, hereafter project cut function will be selected. So Ctrl C for cut and Ctrl V for project cut. So I want a project cut from here to here, likewise from here to here, from here to here. Okay, smart flow is good. From here to here. Okay, we need to make cuts like this. Then only we can attain a good mesh flow. I think the last cut is wrong, so I just press Ctrl Z. So Ctrl V to project cut, and I want to join this to this, and I want to remove this cut. So deleting this hard point, and then map select. So for map select, it is Ctrl 1. So Ctrl 1. So map is running, but I want to make some project cuts. Ctrl V. So in this way we can make some flows. Like this from, I think we can toggle. We cannot toggle. We need this future because it's door actually. See, we should not defuture it. Okay, I can make some project cut. Okay, we need to here going to cut. Okay, it has given. Now I want to get rid of this one, and I want to delete this hard point also. Now spot mesh regenerate. I should not regenerate these ones. Okay, I need to make a cut from here to here. So project cut from here to here. It's not getting, so Ctrl C, and now I am using a parametric cut. It's not working out. Okay, we can go to topo and perform that parametric cut. Okay, it will not happen because the surface is not a single one, it is connected face. Because when we see it as macro, it looks to be a single, but really it is two different surfaces which were just joined. So what we need to do is, only possibility is plane cut, not parametric. So cut from here to here. Likewise, and we can perform project cut here, and we can regenerate the mesh. Ctrl 2, and then Ctrl 1 for mapping. So here if we increase one node, it will be over. So going to number, so number can be called by Ctrl X, making it as 2. So while numbering the mesh is set to erase. So Control Z, go to number and set it as remesh macros. I am setting it as 2. Now we have got the mesh flow. Likewise, make a cut and Control 1 to map, and for spot mesh regenerate it is Control 6. So Control 6. Okay, we need to provide some cut from here to here, also from here to here. Now we can map these places. Just try mapping. Okay, so we have 14 of elements. Oh, okay, that's happened due to this one, so we can erase. So there is no off elements because we are clearing the mesh as soon as we prepare finite elements. Control V. Here we need to spot mesh, so Control 5. The face that can be done by single, and I can move this node. Okay, that off is clear, and here we can do so. Okay, Control V. Just map. Okay, Control V. Need to project. Also this has to be projected here. Okay, it's not possible means try cut. So make sure your view is perpendicular so that cut will be performed. Try spot mesh on these surfaces. Okay, it's going good.
And simply perform a cut from here.
Project cut this, and now if you perform map it will work out. Just make a project cut from here. Also from here to here. In the same way, make a cut project cut this one, we can project cut here also. Control 1 to map. Just project cut from here itself. Good. Here only possibility is spot mesh. So spot mesh select, deselect this one. Just move the surface, move the node on the surface. Okay, we have 262. So maybe that will be here. Make a cut. Control map, control 5 spot only this surface. This can be mapped, but this has to be done by spot mesh. Okay, we can adjust somehow, can minimize, but we need to provide more cuts. Here we need to adjust, move the surface. We should not move this node. Instead of that, we will move this one. Here we can go for a parametric cut. Okay, control 1 is proper mesh flow, control C. Control 5, which is spot mesh. That itself resulting in so many skewness. Okay, cut from here to here. Control B. Perform a cut from here to here. Cut is not working because it's parametric. We will change it to plane cut. So while plane cut, it is set to remesh the macros, but map I think cannot perform. Now we will remesh. No, something is error. That's why map is not working out. We will check. Oh, this is the issue. So we need to join this and we need to make a cut from here to here. we need to join and we need to delete this hard point, this also. So we can now perform the map. Good. Okay, we can cut, project cut, and here also we can project cut. No need of moving more than this. Okay, here now there is problem now. Map regenerate. Okay, spot mesh select. Here again the problem is coming. Okay, go to mesh generation, shell mesh and reconstruction, select shells. Okay, likewise here also you can perform by angle also. So in this way you can reduce. Okay, there are so many ways that you can reduce half elements, but see, the shell doesn't increase any count. If I choose edge method, then it will increase the mesh count. That is why I am going by the shell, reconstruction by shell.